Imagine a world where the sky is painted in shades of crimson, where multiple moons dance across the horizon, and where alien oceans stretch as far as the eye can see. Now, hold that thought, because these aren't just figments of our imagination. They're real places, waiting to be discovered. We're diving into the cutting edge of astronomical research, where science fiction meets reality, and where the possibility of life beyond our planet becomes more tantalizing with each new discovery. Buckle up, because we're about to take your mind on a wild ride through the cosmos. And we're about to embark on a journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew about our place in the universe. We gazed at the night sky, wondering if those distant pinpricks of light might host worlds like our own. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in the sky, has recently captured a direct image of a potential exoplanet called TWA-7b. While this particular world is more like a young, gassy version of Saturn, the fact that we can now see these distant planets directly is nothing short of revolutionary. It's not just about having liquid water. We're talking about the whole package: atmospheric composition, plate tectonics, a stable orbit, and more. Consider our own planet's geological dance. The Ring of Fire, that horseshoe-shaped zone in the Pacific where earthquakes and volcanoes are the norm. Each one of those twinkling lights could be a sun to its own family of planets. Some might be scorching infernos, others frozen wastes, but every new exoplanet we find, every atmospheric composition we analyze, brings us one step closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? How might the discovery of alien life, even microbial, reshape our understanding of our own origins and our place in the cosmos? And if intelligent life exists out there, how would we ever bridge the vast gulfs of space and time to make contact? The journey of exploration we're on isn't just about finding other worlds. It's about understanding our place in the cosmic tapestry. They remind us that we're part of an ongoing story of discovery, one that stretches back to the first humans who looked up at the night sky and wondered what lay beyond. Today, armed with our incredible technology and insatiable curiosity, we're writing the next chapters of that story. Some might be home to landscapes we can barely imagine, perhaps even teeming with life forms we've never dreamed of. This constant churning of Earth's crust plays a crucial role in regulating our climate and cycling vital elements. Now we're looking for similar processes on distant worlds, understanding that this geological activity might be key to long-term habitability. The universe is vast, mysterious, and filled with wonders beyond our wildest dreams. And who knows? The next great discovery might be just around the corner, waiting to revolutionize our understanding of life, the universe, and everything. It is like finally getting a photograph of a pen pal you've been writing to for years. Suddenly, the abstract becomes wonderfully concrete. Our Milky Way galaxy alone is estimated to contain between 100 and 400 billion stars. If even a tiny fraction of those stars host potentially habitable planets, we're talking about billions of worlds where life could potentially take hold. It's a number so vast, it makes you feel simultaneously insignificant and part of something unimaginably grand. We're rediscovering worlds that sit in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold. Take Proxima Centauri b, our closest exoplanetary neighbor, at just over 4 light-years away. It orbits a red dwarf star, which sounds cozy until you realize these stars are prone to violent flares that could bathe the planet in deadly radiation. But before you write off the possibility of life there, remember this. Earth is home to extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions we'd consider impossibly harsh. From bacteria living in scalding hot deep-sea vents to tardigrades that can survive the vacuum of space, life finds a way. Who knows what incredible adaptations alien life might evolve in these challenging environments, but just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's liquid water, there's the potential for life as we know it. It's like we've been given a cosmic treasure map. An X marks the spot for potential alien habitats. Fast forward to today, and thanks to incredible technological leaps like the Kepler Space Telescope and the awe-inspiring James Webb Space Telescope, we've confirmed the existence of over 5,700 exoplanets. This isn't just a single planet. It is a whole system of 7 Earth-sized worlds orbiting a small, cool star. And get this, 3 of those planets are smack in the middle of the habitable zone. Imagine a place where you could potentially hop from one life-supporting world to another, like island hopping in a cosmic archipelago. The possibilities are as endless as they are thrilling. That's more planets than you can see stars on a clear night with your naked eye. Let that sink in for a moment. Welcome, cosmic voyagers, to Beyond Earth, new habitable exoplanet discoveries that will blow your mind. Just a few short decades ago, the idea of planets orbiting other stars was purely theoretical. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. We're not just finding barren rocks or massive gas giants. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent years is the TRAPPIST-1 system, a mere 40 light-years from Earth. But we're not just theorizing anymore. Now, let's talk about the wild and varied conditions we're discovering on these potentially habitable worlds. As we search for these distant worlds, we're also refining our understanding of what makes a planet truly Earth-like. The sheer scale of what we're discovering is almost impossible to wrap our minds around. So the next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to really look at those stars. We stand at the threshold of a new era of discovery. As we conclude our voyage through the stars, let's ponder this. If life is indeed abundant in the universe, what does that mean for us? These questions may seem daunting, but they're also incredibly exciting. So keep your eyes on the stars, cosmic voyagers.